Hey guys, it's Amber. So today I'm going to be showing you what I got for my birthday. Now I just want to disclaim that this video is in no way, shape or form me boasting, bragging, anything like that. I just want to show you what I got for my birthday. I know a lot of people like these videos. I know it gives people ideas of what they want for their birthday, etc, etc. So I just want to get that done and out of the way. Just let you know that I'm not bragging, I'm not boasting about anything like that. So without further ado, I am just going to get in and show you what I got for my birthday. I didn't get a lot of stuff, but you know what, it's not quantity, it's quality. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to show you is a blanket. Now it just looks like this. It's really nice. I think it's like fleecy type material. It's really soft, really cozy, and it has these like triangular patterns on it. Oh my god, it's like one of the softest things I've ever felt in my life, and I cannot wait to just use this like as a throw on my bed to make that look a little more, to spice up my bed a little bit, and also just, you know, wrap myself in this because it's literally the softest thing ever. I don't want to get makeup on it, but it's so super soft. And I got this one from my brother. The next few things I'm going to be showing you are all from my mum. Now, they might seem a little bit weird to you, but they're nice to me because, as you may or may not know, me and my boyfriend Luke are going to move out of home soon. We're going to move out together, so we need some things for the kitchen. So we have a lemon juicer here. We have this ginormous pancake flipper. This is actually going to be so good. We have some measuring spoons, which are all Betty Crocker, so this is a good brand, so I'm like pleased. The next thing are bag clips. You might be going, you're getting this for your birthday? I'm not mad about it because we need these things for our house and we're going to use them. So as I said, it's quality over quantity. And honestly, if you have never ever used these before, you need to get them. They are the best thing ever. If you like open a bag of chips or a bag of pasta or something like that and you like want to seal it shut because you don't want to use the whole bag, you know how you like roll it but air still gets in and it's really frustrating because it goes stale? Get these bag clips because honestly you're going to save yourself so much money and so much worry because nothing is going to go stale because it will literally just keep whatever air is inside the bag already inside the bag, so it's not going to go stale. The next thing I got from my mum was these tea towels, again for both Luke and I when we moved out. This one is really cute. Is this upside down? Yeah. So this one is really cute. It just has like oven mitts and salt and pepper shakers, whisks, all the utensils you just kind of have in your kitchen. So it's really bright and colourful and cute. And then the next tea towel we have has little cupcakes on it in a little stand, and oh my god, how cute is that? I absolutely love that one. The next thing I got from my mum is a spring form pan for cakes and other good baking things. Another thing I got from my mum is this bamboo charcoal detoxifying and pore tightening sheet mask. I actually used one of these a couple days ago, and honestly it made my face so much more like brightened, and honestly the day after my scarring and my acne had all like gone down. Like it wasn't so red, it wasn't so irritated, so I'm excited to try this again because it just made my skin feel really hydrated as well, so this is a good one. Now I've got to show you the last three things that my mum got me. So this is one of them. This is the Professional Primer by Benefit. I have not tried any of Benefit's products. This is the first time I'm trying the Professional. I decided to get the Pearl Primer because I liked that it had a bit of a glow within sort of feel, and that's what I want considering I use quite a lot of mattifying products on my face. So I'm going to be doing a full face of first impressions with this included. So if you are interested to see my thoughts on this, go and watch that video. So this is the Benefit Cosmetics Blush Bar. This actually comes out on Monday the 23rd of April. Is currently the 22nd, my birthday, and I already have it, so I feel very privileged and very lucky. I am so super excited to use this. Look at how gorgeous these look. Oh my god. Again, I've never tried anything from Benefit, so this is going to be in my full face of first impressions. So if you'd like to go see my thoughts, oh, and I am going to have a standalone review on this palette, so if you want to see that review, if it's already up, I'll link it above. If it's not, it'll be coming up very shortly. And the last and final thing I got from my mum is a set of makeup storage drawers. I will pop a photo up above me so that you can see what they look like. It's just the chrome aluminium drawers with the white plastic tubs. Again, I'll put a photo so you can see. I got another one of those because I have a lot of makeup now and I'm running out of storage. So I'm really happy that I got some more storage because it's just an excuse for me to have more stuff. Which is good though, because you can never have too much makeup, right? I also got a present from my Nan and Pop. My favourite perfume of all time, and especially at the moment, is the Avon Amora Seduction perfume. So they gave me an Avon Amora Seduction little kit. It comes with, well, gift set. It comes with the Seduction perfume and something else. I can't remember what's in this. But yeah, thanks Nan and Pop. I really love this. And what makes me really sad is that Avon is no longer being sold in Australia. So you will not be able to get your hands on this perfume ever again. So the fact that I now have another one by my side so that I can have, because I don't ever want to run out of it. It's the most amazing smelling perfume ever. It's really good. I'm gonna like treasure it, savor it, use it for special occasions. And then from my Nan and Pop, I also got some money. I'm not going to disclose how much that is. And again, from my uncle, I got some money also. Again, I'm not going to disclose how much that is. And then from my lovely, cute boyfriend, who's sitting over there and watching me. He got me another battery for my camera. It's not currently in here because it's in the camera recording right now, so thanks, dude. But this is just the Canon LP-E10 battery for my camera. It doesn't sound that exciting, but it's good and exciting for me because I only had one battery before and it constantly ran out whilst I was filming, and then I'd have to wait like half an hour to an hour for it to recharge and then continue doing my makeup, and that was really frustrating. So I'm really glad I have two. Thanks, babe.
All good. I love you.
I love you too. And then little Squidge surprised me with the most amazing thing ever. I've been wanting this for so long now, and the quality of my videos are definitely gonna improve from this. So my little Squidgy Poo got me the Canon lens 75 to 300mm lens. Oh my god. Yes. I am in love. It looks so good. So hopefully the quality of my videos will improve. I'm so excited to use this, and I'm so excited to do some more photography using this as well. Oh, yes. Little Squidge, do you want to come over here for a second? My little Squidge. Thank you very much for my present.
You're most welcome.
Do you want to tell them the other thing about my present?
So
I need to calm down a little.
So I got her another present that I ordered off of eBay, but unfortunately it's got a late arrival on it, so I'm not expecting that to come until this Friday. And I'm sure you'll be extra excited about that one as well. So
I hope. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. You always get me amazing presents.
I do.
You do.
I try.
You don't have to try. You always do.
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too. All good.
You have lipstick on you now.
Yep.
So as he said, he has another present and surprise waiting for me on Friday. Well, hopefully it comes on Friday. So I'm super excited to see what that is. And tonight, Luke and I are going to his parents' house. No idea what I'm going to get from them, but I'm sure I will update you in the next video. So that is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. I just really wanted to share my thoughts on all my presents with you and just share with you how excited I was about them all. So I really hope you enjoyed them. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. It will notify you when I upload a new video. All my social media links will be in the description box as always and on the end card, so please feel free to follow me there if you would like. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye!